Today's video is going to be super simple. We're going to be fixing this wheel in because it's got some pinholes where the U-bolts was in two places. I don't know about the other side. I think it's just those two sides. With this two-pot epoxy from Harbor Freight, JB Weld is pretty much the same thing. You know, you just mix it and then you put it on, and then it's sandable, I do believe, and it bonds to aluminum, whatever that fancy wood is, ceramic, island, steel, brass, bronze, copper, pewter, and wood. So it bonds to a lot of stuff. This is steel, so we should be good. So the first thing you want to do before mixing this stuff is clean your surface. We went ahead and wire wheeled this whole wheel in because we're going to be painting it. Now, you can weld these little pinholes up and then JB weld them, but we're just going to JB weld them. Now, you can see it's a little wet right there with oil residue. That's got to be cleaned off for this to stick. So we're going to brake clean these pinholes, let it dry, then epoxy it. Just general brake clean, parts cleaners, what we're using. Spray all this. We're going to carry the JB weld down. Then we're going to let it dry good. We want it completely dry. So go ahead and open your two-pot epoxy. Get you something to mix it up with. You can use the box itself, a piece of the box to spread it on with, or your finger. It's however you want to do it. And you mix it 50-50. So about the same amount of each one. It's about the same. A little extra hardener just make it dry quicker. Then you mix it up. There you go, Shane. You can use a Bondo spreader for this, a body filler spreader if you wanted to. A business card, anything. But you want it mixed good so it'll harden and stick good. So we are just using a glove, and we are just pretty much mashing it into the hole real good, the pinhole. And where we got it mixed with a lot of hardener, a little bit more than we should, it kind of several levels, which is a good thing. Now, if you ain't prepped this with a wire wheel, you want to sand the area before you clean it. You can see a pinhole right there. If this wasn't that good as welding, they wouldn't call it JB Weld. Well, this is two-pot epoxy, but same thing. This is the same thing. This is Harbor Freight JB Weld brand. And this is so high up on the wheel end and pinholes is that it shouldn't affect fluid level unless you're going up a hill or something. And this heat, it won't take it long to dry. And we done checked the other side. There weren't no pinholes, but we might put some JB Weld on that side just in case, might we, Shane? Once this fully cures, you can sand it and paint it. We're going to be painting this in another video, but as you can see, everything looks good. We did flip it over, check it for pinholes on the other side. It's fine. Just for these U-bolts were so rusty on this that it just, you know, got over into the wind and just ate away at it over the years. This is a 1996 model we're in. It's a 14 bolt GM. It's 6 lug. We will be putting this under a 5 lug Suburban, so we don't have to run the 5 to 6 lug adapters anymore. We're doing a full conversion on the Suburban to 6 lug. That means front and back. But this wheel end is what fixes the back end, because you have to put 2500 Express Series van rotors on it, on your spindles, to get to a 6 lug, to make, you know, the front 6. And the back you have to wheel end flop it, or have your axles re-drilled for 6 lug. But we're just going to flop this wheel end because we have a wheel end noise in the pinion under the Suburban, and this, you know, fixes 2 of the issues by just doing a wheel end flop. So hopefully you found this video helpful. If you like content like this, get subscribed, drop a like, comment, and if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for watching. See you next time.